You are looking at the future of PLC programming. An AI agent developing a complete automation application, end-to-end, on its own, unattended. It writes the code, flashes it, and tests it on the real hardware until every state and every fault has been proven. What comes out is a fully tested, validated, and documented application. The magic behind it is hardware in the loop, built right into the EQSP32 from Erqos. To see what that means, take this simple control loop: a thermistor, a controller, and a heater. As the temperature falls, the thermistor feeds the ADC, and the processor watches the value come down. At 15 degrees, the processor switches the output on. The heater fires. The temperature climbs back. At 25 degrees, the heater switches off. Now we take the physical world away. The processor keeps running the same code, but an AI agent connects over USB to the HIL port built into the EQSP32. The agent injects the temperature straight into the processor's input. The value falls. At 15 degrees, the output switches on. The agent reads it back and checks it against the specification. Pass. The agent raises the temperature. At 25 degrees, the output switches off. Pass again. Every threshold, every fault, every timing case, exercised on the real silicon with no thermistor, no heater, and no wiring. That is hardware in the loop. To get started, install any modern coding agent on your PC. Connect the PLC over USB. That's it. Feed the agent your wiring diagram and a prompt, and it helps you write a detailed project specification. From there, it takes over. It builds a complete test harness covering every normal condition and every fault. It writes the code, compiles it, and flashes it to the controller. Then it tests through hardware in the loop, injecting inputs, reading outputs, checking every result against the specification. When a test fails, the agent reads the evidence, fixes the code, and runs the loop again. Write, flash, test, fix. Around and around, unattended, until every test passes. No hallucinations allowed. And when the loop ends, it writes everything down: the code, the test plan, and a signed-off test report. That is agentic development. You review the specification going in and the evidence coming out. And what does all of this cost? Almost nothing. The development tools, free. The EQSP32 software library, with hardware in the loop built in, free. The only thing you pay for is the AI itself. And for a typical automation project, the tokens cost less than a sandwich. The entire development and validation. Days, sometimes weeks, of engineering work. For the price of lunch. Want to see it for real? We put an agent to work on a water treatment controller, 10 sensors, 3 actuators, and every fault condition. From specification to signed-off test report in 18 minutes. The full build is at erqos.com/ro.